If I'm not wrong, then definitely stethoscope is the only jewelry that cannot be earned by money, my dear. Yes, it cannot be earned by money. It can only be earned by the passion and hard work. Yes, this particular video is going to be very informative, my dear. So, dear parents and students, welcome to Test Prep Card. And today I'm going to cover the particular thing in this particular world, that is the medical colleges, my dear. Yes, top 10 medical colleges I'm going to discuss in this particular video. So just hold your breath and stick yourself in this particular video and watch the video till the end. So I'm going to tell you the top 10 medical colleges in India. So the very first over here is that the 10th number, right? If I talk about the 10th number in this particular India, that is Sri Ramachandran Institute of Higher Education and Research, that is in Chennai, my dear. And this particular college is definitely situated in Chennai. You can well imagine by yourself that Sri Ramachandran Institute of Higher Education and Research, deemed university, previously known as SRMC, and RI, that is DU actually, deemed university, rank among the top health services universities in India, had its origin as Sri Ramachandra Medical College and Research Institute, which was established by Sri Ramachandra Educational and Health Trust in the year 1985. Yes, as a private, not-for-profit, self-financial institution and dedicated to serve society as a center of excellence. So just move on to the next one, that is, which is in 9th position, my dear, that is Madras Medical College, Chennai. Yes, this particular college is also in Chennai, my dear. Yes, definitely. South is also called God of Hospitals or God of Institutions over there, right? So many medical institutions are over there actually. So the government health organization, or you can say the government general hospital, one of the primary, you can say premier institution in the country, was started on 16th November 1664. You can well imagine by yourself, 1664, as a small hospital to treat the sick soldiers of the East India Company, right? Wow, what was the vision, right, to start that particular hospital? It was the untiring, inspired effort of Sri Edward Winter, who was the great of the company that materialized in the first British hospital at Madras. Okay, now I would like to tell you or introduce you the 8th positions in this particular India, the Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, New Delhi. Yes, this particular institute has its own reputed, and this is particular a reputed institute in this particular India, right? So the Institute of Liver and Biliary Science, that is ILBS, has been established by the government of National Capital Territory of Delhi as an autonomous institute under the Societies Act, right? So this particular institute is also the mission of ILBS is to become a dedicated international center of excellence for the diagnosis, management and advanced training and research in the field of liver. So let me tell you, the 7th position institute, that is called JIPMER, Pondicherry, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research. Yes, this particular college is definitely very reputed just because it was inaugurated by Jawaharlal Nehru, my dear. Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Postgraduate Management, or you can say Education and Research, JIPMER, can trace its origin to the École de Medicine in Pondicherry, established by the French government in 1823. In 1956, foundation for new medical college was laid, and 1964 hospital was inaugurated. Okay, so this particular hospital's actual vision is to provide services among the people who are in India actually, or foreign country as well. So government of India in the year 2008, right, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare became the institution of national importance actually. So move on to the next one, that is Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham Kochi campus, right? This is in the 6th position, my dear. So please wait for the first position. I would like to tell you, right? Because AIMS is the number one or the topmost one. But after AIM, what are, or you can say how many those kind of hospitals, or you can say institutions which are on the top. So I am discussing over here the top 10 one, right? So the 6th position is Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham Kochi campus, my dear. Yes, these are the achievements of this particular institution, my dear. Okay, so I would like to tell you what are the first, or what is the 5th position, or which institute, or you can say university is in 5th position. So it is none other than Banaras Hindu University, which is situated in on the bank of river Ganga, right? The particular Banaras is also called Kashi Nagari, right? Where this particular institution is situated, and it is in 5th position, my dear. So BHU is quite a big hospital actually. It is an internationally reputed temple of learning situated in the holy city of Banaras, or you can say Varanasi. This creative and innovative university was founded by the great nationalist leader Pandit Madan Mohan Malvi in 1916, my dear, with cooperation of great personalities like Dr. Annie Besant, who viewed is at the University of India. Oh, wow. The 4th position consists over here is that Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences, where this particular hospital, or you can say institution, is. So Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institution of Medical Science is a medical institute under State Legislature Act located in Lucknow, yes, the capital of Uttar Pradesh. It was established in 1983, my dear. It is called KGMU as well, and is named after Sanjay Gandhi. Yes, if I talk about the 3rd position of the institutions, then National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience. Yes, I'm talking about neuroscience, right? So the National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience, that is called NIMHANS, is a multidisciplinary institute for patient care and academic pursuit in the field of mental health and neuroscience. The central government recognized its eminent academic position, growth and contribution, and declared it a deemed university in 1994. In 2012, NIMHANS was conferred the status of an institute of national importance, my dear. Oh, it is none other than Christian Medical College, Vellore, right? It is quite a good place actually, right? I have been there in 2016, and it is definitely well reputed, and it consists 2nd position over here, right? Established in the year 1900, my dear. Christian Medical College, Vellore, located in Vellore, Tamil Nadu, is an unaided minority educational institute established in the year 1900. In 2018, they are celebrated the century, or you can say centenary of medical education, and this year in 2020 we celebrated, or this particular institute celebrated 120 years of CMC Vellore, my dear. Oh my god, the last but not the least, the first position, Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh. Again, the Punjab is first over here, right after AIMS. So, my dear, this institute started in 1962, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru inaugurated the hospital now named Nehru Hospital on 7th July 1963, quite a long time ago. The institute was originally under the government of an individual, Punjab. After the recognition of the state, the administrative control of the institute passed on to the Union Territory of Chandigarh in November 1966. So, stay tuned to Test Prep Card channel, my dear. If you have any kind of a doubt, go through all the videos and do like and share this particular video, and please tap the bell icon, my dear, so that you will be getting all the updates of the different videos, my dear, related to medical science, engineering and all. So thanks for watching this particular fantastic video. For these kind of videos, stay tuned to Test Prep Card channel. Bye bye, thank you and take care.